Today we're diving into 7 essential survival supplies that could be game changers in any emergency. These aren't just about stockpiling food, they're about real independence, your own food, water, and power. Whether you're prepping for disaster or just want to be self-reliant, these items are crucial. Imagine having your own food source, clean water, and power, true freedom. We've researched the most effective, practical items that make a real difference. Some will surprise you, but all are must-haves for anyone serious about preparedness. Let's jump right into the list. Number 7 is quinoa packs. Yes, that trendy grain is survival gold. Quinoa is a complete protein, rare for plants and perfect when meat is scarce. Vacuum sealed, it lasts for years, even decades. Lightweight, easy to store, and packed with fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, and iron. In an emergency, you need food that's dense in nutrients and won't spoil. Quinoa checks every box. While others stock up on empty carbs, you'll have a powerhouse food that sustains energy and muscle. Why might this be controversial? Because it's about self-sufficiency, less dependence on supply chains. Buying in bulk and sealing it right means you control your food security. It's versatile. Porridge, soups, even flour. Imagine empty shelves and panic, while you have a reliable, nutrient-dense food ready to go. That's a strategic advantage. Quinoa is the foundation of a resilient food supply. Food is energy, food is life. Having a long-term, nutritionally complete food source like quinoa is a top step toward independence. Don't underestimate this tiny seed. It's simple, effective, and puts power back in your hands. Stock up, store it right, and you're set for the long haul. It's not just survival, it's thriving. Make quinoa a core part of your emergency kit. It's a small investment for massive peace of mind. Next up, water. Number 6 is the gravity-powered water purifier. Your ticket to unlimited clean water, no electricity needed. Forget bottled water. This device turns rain, river, or even puddle water into safe drinking water. Just pour water in the top, gravity pulls it through advanced filters, and you get pure water below. No batteries, no solar, no hand cranking, just gravity. In a blackout, this is a lifesaver. While others scramble for bottled water, you're set for gallons a day, effortlessly. We tested it with murky pond water. The result was crystal clear and safe to drink. Why is this a must-have? Because it breaks your dependence on water trucks and store shelves. One purifier replaces thousands of plastic bottles. Less waste, more sustainability. These are used worldwide in disaster zones for a reason. They work, and they last. Minimal maintenance, just clean the filters occasionally. It's a one-time investment for years of security. Don't just store water, make water. A gravity purifier is smart, empowering, and essential for your family's health. It's your personal off-grid water plant. In a crisis, water is life. Secure yours now. This is true water independence. No power? No problem. It's the ultimate low-tech, high-impact survival tool. Add it to your kit and never worry about water again. Next, let's talk about protein. On to number 5. Number 5. Omega-3 rich canned sardines. These little fish are survival superstars, cheap, long-lasting, and packed with nutrients. Sardines deliver omega-3s for brain health, plus protein, vitamin D, and calcium. They last 5 years or more on the shelf. Perfect for emergency storage. Eat them straight from the can, on crackers, in pasta, or salads. Unlike tuna, sardines are low in mercury, so you can eat them often without worry. Ready-to-eat protein is invaluable if you can't cook. They're cost-effective, convenient, and keep you full and focused. We even did a taste test. Prepared right, they're delicious. Sardines are a budget-friendly way to build a resilient food supply. While others rely on carbs, you'll have muscle-building, brain-boosting nutrition. Try a few cans now. Find your favorite way to eat them. In an emergency, you'll be glad you did. Simple, powerful, and essential for any kit. Don't overlook this tiny can of nutrition. It's a treasure chest for survival. Stock up and stay strong. Next, let's talk about power. On to number 4. Number 4, compact solar generator. When the grid goes down, this silent, portable device keeps you powered up. It's a high-capacity battery with a power inverter. Charge it from the wall or with solar panels. As long as there's sun, you have free electricity. We powered lights, phones, laptops, even a fridge, all from the sun. No noise, no fumes, no gas, just clean off-grid power. In a disaster, communication is key. A solar generator keeps your phone charged and your family connected. It can power medical devices, preserve food, and provide light for safety. The real value? Energy independence. You're not tied to the grid or fuel supplies. These are user-friendly, portable, and built for emergencies. Take it with you if you need to evacuate. The initial cost pays off, no ongoing fuel expenses. The sun is your fuel every day. It's not just convenience, it's survival. Stay connected, safe, and in control. Power is freedom. Put it in your hands. Make a solar generator part of your kit. Next, let's talk about medicine. On to number 3. Number 3. DIY Herbal Medicine Garden Kit. In a crisis, pharmacies may be empty. Growing your own medicinal plants is a game changer. Kits include seeds for chamomile, peppermint, calendula, echinacea, plants with real, proven benefits. We set up a small garden in pots, easy even in limited space. Gardening also boosts mental health, which matters in stressful times. This is about self-reliance, less dependence on the pharmaceutical system. You can treat minor issues, make peppermint tea for headaches, calendula salve for cuts. These aren't miracle cures, but they're practical, effective, and sustainable. Kits come with instructions. Start now, learn as you go. It's about reclaiming lost knowledge and empowering your family. For thousands of years, people relied on local plants. Now you can too. A simple garden is a powerful act of resilience. Don't underestimate the value of homegrown remedies. It's a sustainable, renewable source of wellness. Add a herbal kit to your survival plan. Next, let's talk about information. Number 2. Emergency weather radio with hand crank. When cell towers and internet fail, radio is your lifeline. These radios run on batteries, solar, or hand crank. No power, no problem. Crank for a minute, get up to an hour of listening. We tested it. Dead radio, 1 minute of cranking, and we picked up weather alerts and local stations. It's how you get evacuation orders, shelter info, and real-time updates. Information is control. Don't rely on a single filtered source. Radios are rugged with built-in flashlights and USB ports for emergency phone charging. We ran one over with a golf cart. It still worked. It's a one-way device, no tracking, just receiving. Situational awareness is critical. Know what's happening, plan, and stay safe. Inexpensive, tough, and could save your life. Don't be left in the dark. Get an emergency radio. It's your private, endlessly powered intelligence tool. Stay informed, stay ahead. Add it to your kit now. Next, let's talk about health protection. On to number 1, the final essential. Number 1, eco-friendly insect repellent bracelets. After disasters, mosquitoes explode and they carry serious diseases. These bracelets use natural oils like citronella and lemongrass, no harsh chemicals. Just wear one, and you're shielded from bites. Disease prevention is independence, less strain on overwhelmed health systems. We tested them in a swamp. Bracelet wearers were bite-free, others weren't. Lightweight, waterproof, and last for hundreds of hours. No sticky sprays, just put it on and forget it. In a bug-out or outdoor scenario, this is effortless protection. Staying healthy is your top priority. Don't let a mosquito take you out. These are eco-friendly. No aerosols, no pollution. It's a smart, sustainable way to stay safe. Work with nature, not against it. Preparedness is about smart, simple solutions. Add these bracelets to your kit. Protect yourself and your family. That's true survival. There you have it, 7 essential survival items for true self-reliance. From quinoa to solar power to a simple bracelet, each step builds your independence. Preparedness isn't about fear, it's about empowerment and resilience. Every item here helps you take control no matter what happens. Which surprised you most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Be prepared and be the help others need.